On Israel's Mediterranean coastline, not far from Tel Aviv, lies a secret Israeli Defense Force test site, surrounded by sand dunes. I've come here to experience the power and precision of a state-of-the-art weapon system simply known as the Wave. The Wave turns the tide for old weapons and transforms them into future weapons. Tanks and armored vehicles play a vital role in the defense strategy for the State of Israel. To serve those land forces effectively, Israeli military industries built the Wave to be a 21st century solution to a 20th century problem. The problem: in armored vehicles, the gunner needs to be up on top to see the target and aim the weapon. But this leaves him open and exposed to attack, not ideal for him or the rest of the unit. The solution? The Wave. The weapon is still mounted outside the vehicle, but the gunner stays protected on the inside, remotely operating anything from a 7.62 millimeter machine gun to a 40 millimeter grenade launcher. The Wave is an incredible synthesis of old, reliable, powerful technology with new gyro stabilization and electrical optical sensors that allow your guy to stay safely inside the armored vehicle and away from outside threats.
Wave pushes any performance of any weapon to its utmost.
Rami Sokolar is Director of Marketing at IMI's Land Systems Division.
Whether urban warfare or conventional warfare, the Wave can enable the crew to perform their task to the utmost. To show just how effective this combination of old and new technology really is, here they've married the incredibly advanced Wave platform to the great, reliable Browning M250 caliber machine gun, transforming it into a powerful weapon system for tomorrow's battlefield.
All right, Monty, you're going to teach me how to use this?
Yes.
All right.
Start with the joystick.
Monty Mamalia is IMI's chief instructor on the Wave.
This is a weapon joystick. You have here elevation up and down.
So it's kind of like an aircraft. If I actually want to go up, I got to go down.
Yes.
Got it.
Normally, with any optical sight placed on a gun, there's an offset between the line of sight and the path of the bullet. When the Wave platform has been calibrated to the weapon, a combination of optical sensors and a laser rangefinder locks onto the target. Once the gunner has aimed the weapon, the system will stay locked onto the target.
Here we go.
Two shots, center mass. Two shots to the head.
I'll tell you what, having a 50 caliber machine gun throwing those gigantic rounds at you is a nightmare. With this kind of accuracy and the fact that I can do it from complete safety from within the cab, I'll tell you, it's going to definitely make a warfighter feel a lot safer.
But the really clever part, and by far the most difficult, is getting the system to work on the move. This is where the Wave's advanced technology really comes into its own.
There is a software that analyzes the pixels, and from this we can enable the system, first of all, to stabilize the system.
3 separate stabilizers use fiber optic gyroscopes to relay their data back to the system, all at the speed of light. This instantaneous feedback means the platform stays locked solidly onto the target no matter what the vehicle does or how much recoil there is from the weapon.
Highly sophisticated digital software even analyzes the image to give the operator an early warning of danger.
The video motion detection, for example, for an ambush scenario, will enable you to detect and to alert you that there is something new in the vicinity of your vehicle.
It all sounds great in theory, but can the Wave really deliver what it promises? Now we're driving up on a group attempting to rig a car with explosives. They line up to fire at us. We have to react now. First, take out the vehicle, then take out the other threats.
What we got is a car loaded with IEDs. We want to take those guys out, stop them. All right, here we go. I'm going to cock it again. Okay, ready? Guys with IEDs trying to do bad things. Just like that, they're no longer a threat.
All handled while on the move.
Be careful. If you're coming against the Israeli Defense Force and they have a Wave mounted on their vehicle, it may come crashing down on you.